Hi friends, this is Rajeshwar Rayapati and welcome back to my channel Rayapati. Today I am going to discuss about sorting. Yeah, sorting. Why? Because normally when you have this, let me drag my subcategory. There's a subcategory. Okay, here. Now in this subcategory, okay, first I need to add some field. I'm just adding category here. I'm going for a quick filter. Right now this is the order of filter, right? But there might be a scenario when someone might have asked you to change the order of a filter. Is it possible? Will it change? No, it will not. This will not change. Then how to change the order in the filter? So if you want to change the order in the filter, then the only way is to sort the default property level. Select the dimension, default properties, and then click on sort. Okay, in here whatever you change in here, that will be reflected in your filter. Now see, it is descending. Now I am going alphabetical. It is already alphabetical, I think, so it is not going to change much. If I say ascending, but remember, you only have three options that you can change your filter. One is data source order, the other is alphabetical, and the third one is manual. You don't have field level of sorting at this default level. No, default level you can't do that. Okay, in this way, if the worst case that you can do is go for manual. See, I'm dragging bookcase upwards. See, I got my bookcases. Okay, so this is what sorting a dimension, string dimensions is not a complicated thing. It is not hard. You can easily get those sortings, and you can usually use these arrows to bring it up, down, or you can even drag them as you wish, or you can either go for alphabetical or you can go for data source order. It is up to you. Okay, as a string wise, and it's not a big problem. Okay, I don't even see any big issues in this, but yeah, this is one technique that you have to remember. Now coming to dates, now I'll just remove, I'll just go to the next sheet. Now coming to dates, so what is there about dates? Now see, order date. So let me drag one more. Again I'll drag, because to add quick filter you need at least one field, so I'm dragging category and I'm saying show filter. Now you have your years here, right? Now I'm going to my order date. Okay, and in the default property sort, I am trying to sort descending. No, nothing is happening. Ascending, nothing is happening. And I am going to alphabetical. Is it happening? No. Now also it's not happening. And now the reason why this is not happening, it will be clear in manual. Okay, see, when I click manual, am I getting years here? No, I'm getting dates. So of all the dates which are in 2017, their year is extracted and it is put in here. So any sort that you do in here or in here, or else in even in the manual level, like dragging this up here, will that change? No, because there are around in Superstore data you have 10,000 rows. So to change this order, you have to sort the 10,000 rows, which is data source order. You have to go to the level of data source and change the data source order, then it might change. Normally that is not the case, because anywhere days are sequential. So from the past date to the present date. So it is not possible to, but in Tableau, there is no word like impossible. So there is always a way to be possible. How? Now let me write a calculated field. Okay, now I'm taking year of order date. Okay, now I'm writing here year, which is a calculated field. Apply. Okay, now I'm converting this into dimension. Okay, now on this I'm right clicking and I'm saying show filter. Now see, it is showing similar, like the filter is same like our order date. This is our calculated field. Now I'm right clicking on this. I'm going to default properties, and in the sort I say descending. See, this will change. I go and I say alphabetical. It is, see, why is this not changing for the data source and alphabetical? Because the data source is from past date to present date, and alphabetically 2017, 2018, that is how it comes, right? So that is why it is not changing. When I say ascending, again it will come back to 2017, 18, 19 and 20. Okay. The other scenario where we'll look at is the same, but the only difference is we'll be looking at month. Now I am taking month for a reason. Now let me take month of order date. Okay. Now I am taking it as month calculate. Okay. Now let me drag my let me drag my order date because I need month, right? So let me convert this to month and then show filter. Okay, this is showing here. Now I want to change this order. Now, like the way we did for year, we got month calculation. I'm converting it into dimension. Now once I've done that, let me right click on it and say show filter. Now see, we are getting numerics. That is the problem. Now as you are getting numerics here, number months. So it is one is January here this is January, but here one is January. So one from that there to 12. Now if I want to sort this, just a moment, default properties. Yeah, I want to sort this. Now even if I say descending, it will be from 12 to 1 here, and if I say ascending, it is 1 to 12. Even if I go into alphabetical, this will not change because these are numbers. So numbers also have changed, I'm sorry, but yeah, the numbers are changed. Like how are we getting 1 0 1 1 0? See, whenever you are sorting, it will take only the first number into consideration first, and if there is any issue with this, like these two are same, then it will go to the second number. So 0 is first, so it will sort by 0, and the 1 is next, so it will sort by 1, and again it will come to, see, there are 3 ambiguities. So this sorting is done by these 3 numbers, and the rest all sorting is normal. So that is how you do with the months. But I want my numerical months in sorting order. Then how to get that? This is number, right? So how to get my numerical months in sorting order? For that, let me take date name, because we need string month, right? So we don't want numerical, we want a month like this. Now for that, month comma order date. Okay, month strcap, apply. Okay, now I'll just remove this. This is no longer needed for us, or rather we'll remove this because we already know our months, right? So right click on this and say show filter. Now this is showing my filter. Now here I'll go to default properties, sort, and in the sort, whenever you change, it will, now it is changing. See, now you are getting a data source order wise sort. Now when I go to alphabetical, it will go alphabetical, descending and ascending, however you want. And manual is again the same, guys, no change. But the interesting thing, or the more interesting thing that I wanted to discuss is about days. Now let me take this. Let me take order date and let me say exact date, and I'll make it as discrete. And this I'll say show filter. Now I want to see all the dates, so I'll say multiple value list. So I'm getting like this. Now previously whatever is okay, I forgot to show you one small thing. Even in this order date, when it is months, like I'll just close this, just hide this, not read it, and I just want to show filter. Now even in when you have months in here, again whatever you change, it will not be reflected. That is again because the months are again aggregated. in every year, all the 28 days, 30, 31 days, whatever are they, they're all aggregated and then it is shown. So in any way that you change, this will not change. So when you want to change again, you have to go for month string based calculation or numerical months based calculation. Now getting back to exact days. Now till now what we have seen, even if you change do any changes in the order date, that order date is any sorting in here, the default sorting, if you change any default sorting here, that is not getting affected here. But now you see guys, now when I change, these are getting changed. See, now data source order, even now they are getting changed. See, so that is why is this happening? This is because the days in this data source, Superstore data source, a day is the least level granularity of the date. So you have last is date, you don't have hours, minutes, seconds, you don't have. So we are talking about the least granular level. So there you can sort based on the order date. Yeah, that is possible. Okay. So finally, I already put it here. So I'll just close this. I'll just come back. Row IDs, I didn't. This is already there. See, I'll just close this. Now, I don't even want this row ID. Clear. Yeah. Now let me drag my row ID here. Okay. Now row ID, I'm going to say show filter. Now again, like the previous one, I want multiple value list. Now I want to sort this. Again, go clear in the sort. You can do whatever you want. For numerics, not a big deal. But again, you have to remember when you are sorting alphabetically, the problem that you will face is, see, why is one after one, why are you getting 10, 100,000 and then 1001? Because first sorting is done by this order, but these two are in ambiguity. Then the second is taken. Okay, 0 is present. Now the ambiguity is gone. But for the third, the ambiguity, but these two, there is an ambiguity. So the third digit is taken. So that the sort happens that way. Now here see, 100 and 101 comes here, and 2 comes way below. Way matlab way below. I don't know. Okay, I shall have to remove this. Then it will come. 2 will come somewhere after all the ones are done. See, 2 will start here. Yes. 1. Yeah, see, 2 will start 220, 200. Okay, this is about sorting, guys. So in this we have discussed about string sorting, which is not much of a complication. And then we saw date sorting, in which we try to sort by the base of year, try to sort by the base of month and by the base of day, and also we try to sort based on then this is a ID column, which is a numeric dimension, and sorting on measures doesn't make any sense, guys. Not much, and that is not much advised also, so I'm not discussing that topic. If that is needed, then yeah, someone can ask me with a scenario. I'll just definitely get back to you on that. Okay, so this is about the session, guys. And finally, as always, please do like, subscribe and share my channel, and also share the channel with your friends who are actually working on Tableau and are looking for solutions in Tableau. Okay, and I'm present in Telegram and also Facebook, guys. If you have any doubt, just come there and ask me. I'm depending on my scenario, I'll 99% I'll definitely try to get you an answer. Okay, thank you, guys. Thanks a lot.